Welcome, fellow pilgrims of the wild, to the culmination of our journey, the final episode of Nature's Whispers, English Adventures in the Wild. I'm Elena, your guide, and as we stand on the threshold of this last adventure, my heart is filled with gratitude for your companionship. Together we have chased the whispering winds through dense forests, felt the exhilarating spray of hidden waterfalls, gazed upon the infinite cosmic tapestry of the night sky, followed the timeless journey of a powerful river, braved the stark beauty of the desert's shifting sands, and plunged into the boundless, mysterious depths of the ocean. Most recently, we surrendered to the overwhelming symphony of the living rainforest, a testament to life's vibrant abundance. Each landscape has unveiled its unique magic, its particular lesson. Today, for our grand finale, we seek a different kind of wisdom, a profound stillness that resonates with the echoes of centuries past. We are stepping into a realm of deep time, a sanctuary where life unfolds at a pace imperceptible to our hurried modern world. We journey to echoes of ancient forests, a narrative that invites us to walk among giants, to listen to the silent stories etched in bark and stone, and to connect with the enduring spirit of nature in its most venerable form. This journey promises not a rush of action, but a quiet reverence, a humbling communion with the profound legacy of our planet. Prepare to feel small yet connected, to sense the wisdom of ages, and to carry the peace of these ancient sentinels with you long after our journey concludes. Let us enter this sacred grove. Imagine the transition. You've been traveling, perhaps, through landscapes hinting at human intervention, managed woodlands, cultivated fields, or even the remnants of old industry. But then gradually, almost imperceptibly, the air begins to change. It cools, becomes cleaner, imbued with a distinct rich scent of damp earth, decaying leaves, and something else, a deep, almost balsamic fragrance of ancient wood and verdant moss. You see them first in the distance, like colossal, dark silhouettes against the lighter sky, trees of immense stature, far larger than any you've seen before, their crowns forming a dense, unbroken horizon. A palpable sense of reverence settles over you, a quiet awe that transcends conscious thought. And then you step across an invisible threshold from the familiar world into the embrace of the ancient forest. The change is immediate and profound. The direct sunlight is gone, replaced by a perpetual ethereal twilight. It's not darkness but a soft, filtered illumination, where shafts of light pierce the dense, multi-layered canopy high above, creating dancing dappled patterns on the forest floor. These light rays feel almost tangible, like shimmering pillars supporting the very roof of this vast natural cathedral. The air immediately feels cooler, saturated with a profound humidity that's less oppressive than the rainforest, but rather a constant, refreshing coolness that permeates everything. The first overwhelming sensation is the profound silence. This is not an empty silence, but one that is full of history, full of life unfolding at a different, slower rhythm. It's a silence that swallows distant sounds, muffling the outside world until it feels utterly remote. Here, the dominant sound is a deep, resonant stillness, broken only by the most subtle elemental sounds. Beneath your feet, the ground is a thick, spongy carpet of leaf litter, accumulated over centuries. Layers upon layers of decaying leaves, needles, twigs, and bark create a soft, yielding surface that absorbs your footsteps, making your presence feel almost imperceptible. Your boots sink slightly, rising with a soft, almost imperceptible muffled crunch. Here and there, colossal buttress roots erupt from the ground, sprawling like ancient, slumbering serpents or the foundations of colossal natural architecture, their vastness hinting at the immense trees they support. The forest floor is a world unto itself, a realm of constant, quiet decomposition and renewal. Giant fungi in astonishing shapes and colors, some resembling intricate coral, others like luminous shelves, sprout from decaying logs and the bases of trees, vital decomposers in this grand cycle. Patches of vibrant green moss cling to every surface, painting rocks and fallen branches in velvety hues. Delicate, resilient ferns unfurl their fronds with quiet grace, their intricate patterns illuminated by the filtered light. This is where the unseen work of the forest occurs, a slow, patient transformation that fuels the giants above. Your gaze is drawn inevitably upwards. These are not merely trees. They are colossal sentinels, living monuments to time. Their trunks are impossibly vast, their girths so immense it would take several people holding hands to encircle them. The bark, deeply furrowed and weathered, tells stories of countless seasons, of centuries of growth, of storms weathered and quiet days embraced. Some trunks are cloaked in a thick, vibrant green mantle of moss. Others are draped with looping vines that have clung to their ancient hosts for hundreds of years. Looking up, your neck cranes back, and your vision struggles to comprehend their imposing height. As they stretch towards the heavens, their uppermost branches lost in the dense, interwoven canopy far above. It's a humbling experience standing next to such ancient, enduring life, a profound sense of your own fleeting existence against their timeless presence. The silence is punctuated by sounds that, in any other environment, might go unnoticed. The very faint whisper of the wind becomes discernible high in the canopy, a soft, almost ethereal sigh as it moves through countless leaves, a sound of profound calm and ancient breath. Occasionally, a single dewdrop or condensation from high above falls, landing on a leaf with a distinct, gentle plink, its sound echoing with surprising clarity in the stillness. A quiet rustle in the undergrowth might hint at the passage of a shy, unseen creature. Perhaps a badger foraging, a deer browse quietly, or a red fox padding softly on its way. The bird calls here are different from the raucous symphony of the rainforest. They are less numerous, more spaced out, but each call is distinct and often deeply melodious, resonating with a pure, almost crystalline quality. A distant hoot of an owl, even in daytime, seems to speak of the wisdom of this ancient place. The quiet, persistent tapping of a woodpecker searching for insects echoes with a surprising clarity. These sounds contribute to rather than break the overall sense of deep peace. This forest feels like a living library, each tree a volume filled with stories of centuries. You can almost feel the echoes of time within its depths. Think of the events these trees have witnessed. Shifting climates, the passage of countless generations of animals, the rise and fall of human civilizations. They stand as silent witnesses, unmoving, rooted, profoundly connected to the earth. This is a place of immense resilience, a testament to nature's ability to endure, to adapt, to reclaim, and to thrive across millennia, weathering storms, fires, and even human encroachment. Their slow, deliberate growth, often spanning hundreds, even thousands of years, offers a powerful counterpoint to our fast-paced lives, urging us to slow down, to observe, to simply be. A profound sense of peace washes over you, a feeling of deep grounding. In the presence of these ancient beings, the anxieties and complexities of daily life seem to dissolve, shrinking into insignificance. You feel connected not just to the immediate environment but to something vast and enduring, a timeless web of life that stretches back into geological time. It's a spiritual connection, a quiet understanding of your place within the grand, interconnected tapestry of existence. The wisdom here is not spoken but felt, emanating from the very air, from the deep roots, from the towering, patient trunks. As the afternoon light begins to wane, casting long golden shafts of sunlight through the dense trees, the forest transforms once more. The dappled light becomes even more dramatic, painting the trunks in hues of warm gold and deep shadow, creating an otherworldly glow. The air grows cooler and the profound silence deepens, preparing for the quiet mysteries of the coming night. Slowly, reluctantly, you begin your journey back towards the forest's edge. You carry with you not just memories, but a profound transformation. The stillness of the ancient forest, the humbling scale of its trees, the echoes of time it holds, these become an indelible part of your spirit. You have walked in a living sanctuary, a place of wisdom and enduring beauty, and its profound peace will resonate within you. Elena. And so, Himanshu, our final journey into echoes of ancient forests, comes to its serene and profound conclusion. I hope you felt the cool, quiet embrace of these ancient woodlands, imagined the towering sentinels, and sensed the deep wisdom held within their timeless depths. This final exploration brings us full circle. From the gentle whispers of a young forest, through the roaring power of waterfalls, the cosmic silence of stars, the timeless journey of a river, the stark beauty of the desert, the boundless mystery of the ocean, and the vibrant cacophony of the rainforest, we return to a place of ancient, quiet power. Each landscape has offered a unique perspective on nature's enduring power, its astonishing beauty, and its intricate interconnectedness. The words we've immersed ourselves in today, venerable, formidable, ethereal, perpetual twilight, dappled, profound silence, spongy carpet, leaf litter, muffled crunch, buttress roots, colossal sentinels, girths, imposing height, canopy, timelessness, resilience, interconnectedness, grounding, wisdom, indelible, sacred, these are now woven into the very fabric of an ancient forest. They are the texture of bark, the scent of damp earth, the quiet hum of unseen life, and the deep peace that settles in your soul. Our journey with nature's whispers may end here, but the adventure of observing and understanding the natural world, and finding the perfect words to describe it, never truly ceases. I encourage you to carry the spirit of these journeys with you. Wherever you are, take a moment to be still. Observe the natural world around you, however small or grand it may be. Listen for its whispers, feel its textures, breathe in its essence. And use the richness of the English language to articulate the beauty and wonder you discover. Thank you, dear listeners, for being my companions on this incredible adventure. It has been an immense privilege to be your guide through the wonders of our natural world, one whisper at a time. Until our paths cross again, keep exploring, keep imagining, and keep letting nature whisper its endless secrets to you. Farewell for now.